Alright guys, gonna do just a quick review of the dash camera, not necessarily the operation of it or the install, but just showing you, how it's supposed to work and what use you can get out of it. So it installs right over your previous rear view mirror. As you can see, that's my rear view mirror, and this is the actual camera, so it's really thin. Doesn't really look bad up here. And this is the camera. It slides in and out, if you need to adjust it. If you're not getting the range that you want, like if you can see here, it's showing the front of my car. Just kind of like adjust the camera, slide it to where you're liking, so that you're not blocking out the peripheral vision of it. But this is a 4K camera, and as you can see, this picture quality is pretty good. Yeah, so the way you install it, it's just got these little mounting straps, little rubber straps that hold it pretty tightly in place. Just give me a second here, I'm gonna rotate it down. All right, there are your straps. These hooks come on there. All you do is hook it, pull it over tight, and then hook it on the bottom, and it holds it in place pretty decently. So I don't know if you can see that. There's another hook on the bottom, and that's where the strap connects. All right, now I'm gonna show you what'll happen, because this is your rear view camera, so you want to use it for the rear view. You need to be able to see out your rear view. So when you connect the rear view camera feature, all right, this is the rear view camera. All right, it's looking at me right now. It's upside down. So you're just going to, I got it pointing toward the back, but you're going to wire it, basically wire this however you want to the back, using 3M tape on this. You're going to stick it to the window in the placement that you want, so that you can see out your rear view, and the picture quality is pretty good. This is 4K. Again, there's me. So all right, now there is an option to wire this into your actual backup camera, so that when you back up, like when you put the car in reverse, that reverse feed is going to pop up on here. That's what the red wire is for, if you want to use that option. If you don't need a rear view camera, the rear view camera option, then don't use the rear view camera option. Just set it up, and your dash camera will be recorded in the front and the back. So this is a pretty solid dash camera once you get it set up. The only thing I would like to see different is just maybe another camera on the other side, so that you can get the best view you possibly can. But the view is pretty good, so I would recommend. All right.